Welcome back to Xoratale. Today we're going to learn numbers 6 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go. This is number 6. Say it with me. 6. 6 stars. 6 cars. 6 chocolates. Let's repeat it again. 6 stars. 6 cars. 6 chocolates. This is number 7. 7 birds. 7 flowers. 7 balls. Let's repeat it again. 7 flowers. This is number 8. 8 apples. 8 trees. 8 shoes. Let's repeat it again. 8 apples. 8 trees. 8 shoes. This is number 9. Say it with me. 9 butterflies. 9 books. Let's repeat it again. 9 butterflies. Stars. Books. This is number 10. Say it with me. 10 balloons. 10 candles. 10 cookies. Let's repeat it again. 10 balloons. 10 cookies. Number test time. Let's see what you remember. What number is this? Yes, it's 7. What number is this? Great, it's 9. What number is this? Yes, it's 6. What number is this? Awesome, it's 10. What number is this? Great, it's 8. How many birds are these? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. 7 birds. How many balloons are these? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct. 10 balloons. How many trees are these? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct. 8 trees. How many chocolates are these? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. 6 chocolates. Great job, kids. You learned numbers. Let's clap for ourselves. Bye-bye. See you soon with the next fun learning video on Xoratale.